In this video, I will show you how to do cameos in Snapchat. Snapchat is one of the best apps for communication because it's very innovative and different from all other apps. The Cameo feature is there to convey a quick video reaction to your Snapchat friends. There are over 100 simple animated clips to which you can attach your face. How to do Snapchat cameos? There are two ways to make Snapchat cameos: using your profile page or access the option in chat directly. How to make or change your Snapchat cameo from your profile page on iOS or Android. Open Snapchat, then access your profile page. Scroll down to the bottom and select Create Cameos Selfie or choose Change Cameos Selfie if one already exists. An outline face appears. Move your camera until your face fits in with the outline. Tap on Create My Cameo when the button turns blue. Choose the male or female image, then tap on the Continue button. Your cameo gets created and saved. Here you can see we have created our cameos on Snapchat. You can use this and send it to your friends. By this way you can create cameos on your Snapchat app. Please give a thumbs up. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thanks for watching this video.